Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open VN and select the clip you want to blur. Duplicate the clip on a new track directly above the original. On the duplicate, apply a directional or linear blur and set the radius to 12px for visible blur. Reduce the duplicate opacity to 25% so the blur blends softly. Move the duplicate earlier by 2 frames to create a trailing motion effect. Keep the original clip at full opacity beneath the blurred layer. This method gives a smooth, easy motion blur without plugins. Increase or decrease the blur radius to match how fast the subject moves. Try values between 6px and 30px to find the right look. For a stronger trail, stack 3 duplicates and offset each by 2 frames. Reduce opacity progressively, for example 25%, 15%, then 10% on subsequent layers. Change the blend mode to add or screen if you want brighter, vivid streaks from highlights. Keep direction consistent with the motion for realistic blur direction and cleaner. Preview your blur at the project frame rate to confirm smooth results. Export at 30 fps for most videos and choose 60 fps when motion is extremely fast. Render with 100% quality to avoid compression softening the blur. Adjust trail length by changing frame offsets between 1 and 6 frames. For subtle blur, use offsets equal to 0, 0.5 to 0, 25 seconds depending on your frame rate. Keep file backups before heavy edits to preserve the original clip. These steps ensure consistent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.